Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2025 Acura Integra A-Spec Tech with a 6-speed manual transmission. I already have a video on the CVT if you want to take a look at that, but let's go for the manual today. So the manual transmission in the Integra is really nice. It's very easy. Clutch is really light. It's super, like a beginner could learn this. A beginner could learn manual in this car really easily. I think it's a really nice manual. Even the Integra Type S manual is really easy and it's fun to drive. This vehicle has 200 horsepower and 200 horsepower, turbocharged 4-cylinder. You have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. You have heated seats, no ventilated seats. You have sport, normal, comfort, dynamic modes. You can also make an individual mode, make your own mode, as you can see here. Here's your reverse camera. ELS Studio 3D 16-speaker sound system, very nice. Sounds great. This is the ebony with ultra suede inserts interior. The 2025 Integra A-Spec Tech. Total vehicle price is $39,195. Platinum White Pearl is a $600 paint job. It's one of Acura's premium colors. I like the black deck lid spoiler. Here's your trunk, lots of room back here as you can see, very practical. Be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you want to shop for the 2025 Acura Integra. Now let's go for that drive. You have blind spot alert in this vehicle. This vehicle is very feature packed for the price point. That's why it's a hot seller. They sell really well because, you know, you even get a head-up display, digital gauge cluster. You don't see these options in a $38,000 car very often. So Acura did a great job with this car. Very popular. These are very popular amongst like young buyers, especially college graduates and such. But people of all ages seem to really like this Integra. As you can see, my phone's in the wireless charging tray down there. But yeah, the manual, it's just a really easy manual. And it handles really well. And the exhaust sounds decent too for being a 4-cylinder. The Integra Type S sounds way better but even better. Throws are really nice. It's like a short throw shifter from factory. Yeah, handling is really look, like the steering is really nicely weighted. It's really nice. One benefit of the A-Spec Tech over the Type S is the memory seats, sunroof. A lot of people don't like the fact that the Integra Type S doesn't have a sunroof, and I'm included in that. I wish I had a sunroof. So it's nice that the A-Spec Tech has a sunroof. But you can just cruise along. It's very comfortable. You even have adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, as you can see here. One thing I do wish the gear shifter was a bit bigger. It's like really small, even on the Type S. It's just a really small shifter. These 6MTs are not that common. They make a lot more CVTs because, you know, 6-speed manuals are not all that common in the United States anyway, and most buyers are going to go for the automatic at the end of the day. So yeah. personally would take the manual over the CVT just because, you know, I love manual cars. It's always more fun rowing your own gears. And yeah, the Integra gets really good fuel economy. You can get, if you drive on the highway a lot, you'll be getting like in the high 30s, mid to high 30s, which is great. So this makes it a really good daily driver. And I tell everyone who is looking, especially people who are young, who are looking for like a nice nice car, below 40 grand, I tell them to get an Integra. As I said, its sales speak for itself. It sells super well. It's one of Acura's hot sellers, alongside the MDX. You can only get the 6-speed manual with the A-Spec tech. You cannot get it in the base model or the A-Spec, which I always thought was interesting, because typically you get like a manual transmission in more basic models, but in this car you have to get the top two trims if you want a manual transmission. The Integra Type S comes exclusively with the 6-speed manual transmission, whereas the A-Spec tech has the option of both. And obviously you do not have remote start in this vehicle, whereas the CVT will have remote start on the key fob. And you can use your Acura Link app if you would like to do that as well. But yeah, I mean, overall this is a fun car to drive. It's comfortable, very practical. It's a great all-around package for less than $40,000. This car appeals to anyone. It's very popular, and for good reason. If you're shopping for a car below 40K sedan, you should definitely keep the Integra on your list because of the hatchback and all that, and all the good stuff that this vehicle offers. And if you look at the screen right here, very easy to use. It's like you got everything you need right here. Access your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with smartphone connection. It's a the movement on the screen is very fluid. It's not laggy, which is nice. And the sound system's amazing. The 16 speaker sound system is one of the best I've ever heard in any car, let alone like a car below $40,000, like a entry-level model, as the Integra is Acura's entry level. But yeah, that about concludes this video. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, leave a like, and check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Acura in the description below. Thanks again, and I'll catch you on the next video.